Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, let's open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then you have to press combination power key and volume down for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. As you can see here, you can edit your screenshot, then tap OK, and after that your screenshot will be saved to gallery. Let me show you one more time how it's done. Power key and volume down at the same time like this for about a second, and that's how you can take screenshot. So you can find your screenshot in gallery here at the screenshots album, and from here you can share, edit, or delete your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.